Investing in real estate can be a lucrative way to build wealth, but it's important to find the right properties to invest in. One way to do this is by locating undervalued properties that may not be listed on the market. In this article, we will discuss step-by-step how to locate undervalued properties and provide some tips to help you get started. Step 1. Determine your investment strategy. Before you start searching for properties, it's essential to determine your investment strategy. Are you looking to flip a property for a quick profit, or are you planning to hold on to it for the long term? Your investment strategy will help you determine what type of properties to look for and what features to prioritize. Step 2. Research the local real estate market. Once you've determined your investment strategy, it's time to research the local real estate market. You can start by checking out real estate websites and reading up on the latest trends in the area. Look for information on property values, rental rates, and the overall health of the market. Step 3. Drive for dollars. One effective way to locate undervalued properties is by driving for dollars. This involves driving around neighborhoods and looking for properties that appear to be distressed or abandoned. You can also look for properties that may not be listed on the market, such as those with overgrown lawns or boarded-up windows. Step 4. Look for probate and estate sales. Another way to find undervalued properties is by attending probate and estate sales. These sales often feature properties that need to be sold quickly, and the prices may be lower than market value. You can find information on probate and estate sales through local newspapers or by contacting a real estate agent. Step 5. Network with real estate professionals. Networking with real estate professionals, such as agents and property managers, can also help you find undervalued properties. These professionals may have insider information on properties that are not listed on the market, or may be willing to sell a property off-market for a lower price. Step 6. Check public records. Public records, such as tax assessments and foreclosure filings, can also help you locate undervalued properties. You can check these records at your local courthouse or online. Look for properties with tax liens or foreclosure filings, as these may indicate that the property is distressed or in need of a quick sale. Step 7. Use online resources. Finally, there are a variety of online resources that can help you locate undervalued properties. Websites like Zillow and Trulia allow you to search for properties by price, location, and other criteria. You can also use social media platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn to connect with other real estate investors and professionals. Tips for finding undervalued properties. Look for properties in up-and-coming neighborhoods that are expected to increase in value. Be open to purchasing properties that need some work or repairs. Don't be afraid to negotiate with sellers or real estate professionals to get a lower price. Consider using creative financing options, such as seller financing or hard money loans, to finance the purchase of an undervalued property. Locating undervalued properties can be a profitable way to invest in real estate. By following these steps and utilizing the tips provided, you can increase your chances of finding properties that are undervalued and ripe for investment. Remember to do your due diligence and research before making any investment decisions, and always consult with a professional if you are unsure about any aspect of the process. Good luck on your real estate investing journey. This, and comprehensive and fact-based articles like this, can be found at www.reiguideservice.com in the blog section, or on YouTube, Rumble, and many places podcast can be found. This information is free and is provided to give real property investment guidance to those looking to expand their circle of knowledge. Thank you for listening.